How are female prisoners of war treated differently, if at all? Recent discussions have arisen about the treatment of female prisoners of war, a topic that remains relevant in ongoing global conflicts. As the world watches events unfold, many are questioning how international humanitarian law applies to women in captivity. Understanding the legal frameworks and the unique challenges these women face is essential for everyone interested in human rights and justice. International humanitarian law, particularly the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, governs the treatment of all prisoners of war. The Third Geneva Convention mandates humane treatment without discrimination based on sex. This means that all prisoners should be protected from violence, torture, and degrading treatment. However, female prisoners often encounter specific vulnerabilities that require tailored protections. The Geneva Conventions emphasize the need to protect women from sexual violence and abuse. The Fourth Geneva Convention extends protections to civilians, including women during armed conflicts, which also applies to female prisoners of war. Despite these legal protections, the reality can be quite different. Female prisoners may be more susceptible to sexual violence and gender-based abuse. This vulnerability highlights the need for separate detention facilities and protective measures to prevent exploitation. Additionally, women have distinct health and hygiene needs, such as access to sanitary products and appropriate medical care. Meeting these needs is vital for their overall well-being. The psychological impact of captivity can also differ between genders. Women may experience stressors related to the threat of gender-based violence, requiring specialized psychological support. Unfortunately, many cases of mistreatment go unreported due to fear of retaliation or stigma, making it difficult to gauge the extent of the problem. The effectiveness of international humanitarian law in protecting female prisoners of war largely depends on its implementation by states. In some conflicts, these laws are not fully respected, leading to inconsistent treatment. Recent reports indicate that, in certain regions, female prisoners face harsher conditions than their male counterparts, further highlighting the need for awareness and advocacy. While international law provides a framework for equal treatment, the unique challenges faced by female prisoners of war call for specific attention. Ensuring their safety and well-being during conflicts is essential for upholding humanitarian principles. As discussions continue, it is crucial for individuals and organizations to advocate for the rights of all prisoners, particularly those who are most vulnerable.